Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to reuse an existing list template that you've set up in the past for a list from our team. So let's take this example here where I set up a list called Allentown, Pennsylvania plumbers. This list is already done. Let's say you wanted to rerun this exact same list and you just wanted to find more plumbers in Allentown, Pennsylvania. All that you would do, instead of going to create a new task up here, you would just look at this task, come over to the right-hand side, click on these three dots right here, and then click on Relaunch. And a little window pops up and it asks you how many contacts you would like to request. So in this case, we'll just enter 100 for the example, and then you would click on Relaunch. Now, I'm not going to do that in this particular case. What I'm going to do is make a copy, because let's say we want to use this same template, but we want to go to a new city. We don't want to work with Allentown anymore. We want to work with Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. We're going to click on the three dots and we're going to go to Make a Copy. And right up here, we're going to click on the location. We'll get rid of Allentown and we're going to type in Philadelphia. Perfect. We'll select that. We'll set our radius. Maybe we want to go a little bit broader for this one. We'll go 30 miles of Philadelphia and we'll click Add. So now we have updated our location. Everything else is the same except for the industry field. We do need to update that again to plumbers, because we effectively reset the search for what our team's going to do, which is search the location of Philadelphia within 30 miles of it for businesses that show up for the term plumbers. So we'll add that in here and we'll go to next. So now that's all preset here. All of our previous settings are all the same. We can come down here now and rename this task, because we don't want to go with copy of Allentown, Pennsylvania plumbers. We'll call this Philadelphia, Pennsylvania plumbers. And we'll set our contacts to, I don't know, maybe we want 150 for this list. So we'll type on 150. One lead per company. So if there's two plumbers at Bob's Plumbing or two listed owners, we only want one owner. And you can see it shows how many contacts are required. Then we'll click on this blue launch button. Now, let's say after clicking this button, you realize that you made a mistake on this list. What can you do to stop this list from being produced? All you have to do is come over here, click on the three dots. As you can see, I've done this before for this example. Click on the three dots and click on stop, just like this. And this will stop the task. So there we go. It's now stopping the task. And that notifies our team to cease any work and produce any leads that are already ready. Everything else will be stopped at that point. Now, once you've canceled a task or you've got old tasks and you just want this dashboard to be cleaned up, one last thing that you guys can do quite easily is click on the three dots next to a finished task. And I'll move my picture out of the way. There's an archive button. So let's say we don't want family law and private attorney personal injury lawyers. We'll get rid of that. We'll click on the archive button. And same with this other one that we canceled out. We'll click on archive there as well. If you ever want to dig those out, just click on the archive button at the top and you'll be able to find where those lists are. Hope this is helpful and saves you guys some time. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.